Here we are, Snow Jam 2014. Driving home, sent home from work. It's coming down pretty good. Heading across the railroad tracks. We'll see how that does, but everything seems to be getting, cars are crawling. It looks pretty icy out here, but crossing the tracks. We just left work. I think we'll be all right. This seems to be okay. Obviously, we're going to go stop and see what's left at the grocery store. Roads are icy but passable right now. I'm going to get over in the snow part a little bit, see what happens when I try to stop. It's okay. It's going okay. I'm going to go up this way and go to Baker and turn on Baker, and then let's see what happens. There's some of these people are just driving too slow. It's kind of ridiculous, but I think we'll be all right.
Here's the blizzard of January 2014. And about 12 o'clock the schools let out. Everybody had to come home, and Pete come home. First he had to stop and get his ice cream. And but that didn't stop Max from playing Batman. Can you see the snow? Oh yeah.
What's it doing out here, Max?
What are we doing out here? We just had a little bit of snow. A little bit. It looks like a lot. How much snow do you think we had out here?
Well, it looks like about an inch maybe.
An inch?
Okay, then don't do that. Well, our 3/4 inch hose is under snow. There's a truck down there that tried to make it up here. Didn't quite make it. We could about ski down the driveway. See, that was a good 1.5 inches of snow right there. Hey! Is there somebody? Oh, there's somebody else on the porch behind the flag. Yeah, it's about 1.5 inches. I don't know what you're doing. Here come the neighbors. Get ready for the snow. There's the house, and we're getting the dog cam.